Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ryan. I'm here with Nyla, filming this gorgeous 76 Trans Am. What's really cool about this car, it's a one owner vehicle. He bought it since new, and he has had it since new. Bought it in college, and he's never let it go. Beautiful car. 400 motor. He's also rebuilt that motor. He's added some spice to it as well. You can find some pictures of the work done. But virtually completely original interior. Absolutely beautiful car. It was repainted about 12 or so years ago. That's why you don't see the screaming chicken on the front. But yeah, super nice, runs super strong. And the fact that it's a one owner vehicle makes it all the better. Pretty sure these are actual miles on it as well. However, there's no way to prove it because of the exemptions.
Awesome. Well, we're going to go ahead and get the engine cranked up. We'll take it for a spin, and then we will take a look at the underneath. Stay tuned.
Let's go for a spin. Let's crank her up. She fires up nicely. Goes into gear nicely too. And these 400s, really good motors. Shifted really nicely there from first to second. And really nicely there from second to third. Very impressed with that, considering the age of this vehicle. It's a one owner car, which makes it so cool. Actual miles, actual motor. Brakes feel really nice as well, and so does the steering. She definitely does not show her age in driving. Oh yeah, I really like these Trans Ams. Great year for it too. 74, 75, 76. It's just good stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and make a U-turn though and help Nyla get around the lift. And we'll see you guys back at the shop.
All right, sounds good.